Hi, have you attended performance marketing interviews? You attend interviews, you clear assignments, and then you get ghosted. This is the reality of the job market right now. And we are looking to change that. We can't change the recruiters, we can't change the companies, and we cannot change the hiring process. So, what can we change? What is the solution? We have come up with a collection of courses. This will help you clear performance marketing interviews. Remember, it is not the interview you are after. It is after the job and keeping the job, which means in the interview, you have to communicate to the hiring manager or the recruiter how you will make his job easier. Okay, there are a lot of YouTube videos giving interview advice. What I give you is specifically for performance marketing, and it will work for growth marketing as well. So it is a collection of courses where you will learn how to communicate in the interviews. These are courses for the major channels: Google AdWords, Facebook/Insta, LinkedIn, uh, and all of these are strategic courses for performance marketing. Okay, so remember, job लेना important नहीं है, इंटरव्यू क्रैक करना important नहीं है, उसका नेक्स्ट स्टेप सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि प्रोबेशन क्लियर करना है, कंफर्म होना है, and then you make yourself so dependable that the company thinks 10 times before ever thinking of firing you. Okay, so let's get started. There are a bunch of courses to choose from. Choose the course of your choice, or you can choose all these courses, which will make a nice collection and will help you clear and cover all the channels of performance marketing. So I wish you all the best. Speaking about me, my name is Tapajoti Khan. I have around 15 plus years of experience in digital marketing, with 8 plus years specifically in performance marketing. Okay, I have handled multiple channels all by myself. Usually I have been an individual contributor, but sometimes I have managed a team. I have managed agencies as well. So speaking about myself, I have attended and cleared over 50 interviews in performance marketing, should be more. And my success rate is roughly around 80 to 90%, which means there are a lot of interviews where I cleared and got the offer and then I didn't join because I found something missing in the company itself. So make yourself so capable in your job that you clear your interviews with ease. Okay, that is the bottom line. Okay, I will show you a snapshot of my LinkedIn profile as well, and you can always contact me for any help, for any consultation. And yeah, I wish you all the best. Thank you.